ago, I was really almost 5 years old when I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. We didn't have specialists like my doctor, Heidi Bogle. We had doctors that took care of an earache, they took care of a sore throat, and they took care of my diabetes. But they would actually get the medical journal out and set it down and turn to diabetes. And since then, I mean, we have diabetic educators and specialists, and the advancements today are unbelievable. Then I became her patient probably around 05, 06, 07, someplace in there. So she's been my doctor ever since then, and I decided that if she ever went to Michigan, I'd move to Michigan because I'm not going to let her get away. And it's so wonderful, not only, you know, I say this many times, that doctors, nurses, dietitians, lab technicians, diabetic educators, how many times have we thanked them for what they do for us? And to me, the things that they do, you just can't thank them enough. They make such a difference in our lives. Diabetes to me is my way of life. I mean, that's all I know. I think I was advantageous being 4 because I grew up with it and I learned to live with it early. I think it's a little more difficult for a new diabetic that's 20, 25, or 30 because they've already kind of established a lifestyle. I wrote the book the first time to hopefully help people living with diabetes. The second book I wrote will tell you in so many words of the journey I had of my diabetic life. It's almost like an autobiography of my life, but I also try to tell you in words you'll understand that diabetes is something we can live with successfully. Diabetes is controllable. You cannot let diabetes control you. I will never, ever let diabetes beat me. Somebody said, I feel it's awesome. Well, you sure have beaten diabetes, haven't you, Mr. Ray? Or you have no, I haven't really beaten it, but it sure hasn't beaten me, and it never will.